Hi friends, this is me Manish. Today I came to talk about something really interesting. How to make our dreams come true. I think this is the one question that everyone is asking. You know, I'll tell my story, an incident from my life. You know, I'm an engineering graduate. I'm a mechanical engineer. I passed out my engineering in 2010 from a government engineering college. And to be honest with you, I was not an intelligent guy that is suitable for a technical job. But I was very fortunate to pass my engineering with decent marks. But after passing out from my college, I think at that in that year there was no campus placement available, and the first thing that came to my mind in those period was to get a job. And many of my friends at that time went for higher studies. They got some very good jobs. So I also went several places in plane, in search of job, places like Chennai, Mangalore, Cochin. And I remember the biggest interview that I attended was of MRF, Madras Rubber Factory at Chennai. But I didn't get that job. But that was the biggest interview that I attended. But I think after searching long, I got a job in my own hometown. What was my first salary? My first salary was 5,000 rupees per month. And after working, for several months, I realized that I'm not enjoying that job. I was not enjoying that job in those periods. And I was really desperate there, and I was not in a position what to do. Then I thought of preparing for government examination. Government sector is open for everyone. So I think I started preparing for government examination in the year 2012 onwards. So there are, passed my engineering in 2010, 2 years gone. Many of my friends are some settled. So, I was so desperate to get a job. So the first question that came to my mind was which government examination that I should write. We all know that for a graduate, the biggest examination is definitely UPSC Civil Service examination. But to be honest with you, I was not in a position to write that exam. I was not that much talented. But I preferred SSC examination, Staff Selection Commission examination. And the combined graduate level examination was, one of the biggest examination conducted by Staff Selection Commission, and it is called as mini civil service exam. I don't know one thing. The 1 year I dedicatedly invested there. In that 1 year, every day I was spending a lot of hours for preparation only. I read a lot about that examination. I read about how to prepare, and later I came to know, okay, these are the things to be done, and I started working on it every day by day, every day, 24 into 7. So almost all the hours I was, working. I was studying. Except we should sleep. Some sleep should be there. All the remaining hours in those time also I remember Facebook. This is also our Facebook group. In those time, I had several Facebook groups with several friends all over the nation, and we all were preparing. They were posting questions, discussing answers. These whenever I opened my mobile at that time, I was opening Facebook and opening that group and discussion and participating in discussions there. So what the point is that I was completely dedicated there, and that dedication was almost 1 year, and finally it got resulted. After 1 year, I got my central government job. I got a job in customs department. You know one thing, I realized something. If we have a dream and if we want to make that dreams come true, we have to give all out effort. We have to give all out effort. What does it mean by all out effort? We should completely dedicate it on that dream only. Every person, sometimes me also, simultaneously we have several dreams, so 2 to 3 dreams. Sometimes the person, their dreams will be, I have to start a new business. I want to become, more healthier. I want to become, financially settled. So simultaneous dreams will be there. And you know one thing, if we are working on these simultaneous dreams, and at that time you will not be able to give all out effort to a single dream. If there is 100% effort there, your 100% will split to 3 categories. A 33% effort will be there, will go on to each. And if you were spent 100% on one dream, it would have happened in 1 year. As you split it into three, may happen in 3 or 4 years, or you might stop doing, you sometimes you may give up doing that. It will be very much difficult if you start working on 2, 3, 4 years and still it is not working. So what my point is this only, dear friends, if we have a dream, we have to follow 3 steps. First thing is that we have to, if you have several dreams, you have to select your best dream. What is the best dream that I have to make it true? And the second thing, you have to select a duration. How long I have to do this thing? And the third thing is how much effort, how long I will dedicate for that dream in a day. If you are following these 3 factors, you selected one dream, and now I know all of our dream is definitely to become a public speaker, and that is our biggest dream. And if we are able to spend 6 or 9 months for that, for this entire year to 2020, if you are dedicating for that, to make your dreams come true. And the first 2 steps is over. You selected your dream, you selected the duration, and the third thing is how long you have to study, you have to learn every day. Every day, maximum possible time we have to spend. If that dream is there in your head, whatever you are doing, everything will be in respect of your dream only. So that should be there in your mind every time. So likewise, you can make one of your dreams in 1 year, maybe less than 1 year. Then you can start working on your next dream. In this way, we can make all of our dreams come true. It's better than working on several dreams at the single time. So dear friends, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care.